Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,999, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck has 236,000 miles on the body and comes in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior. It is equipped with factory air conditioning, full power features, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, and dual power seats. This Chevrolet 1500 also includes a towing package, four-wheel ABS, rear leather seating, premium wheels, and a set of great tires, making it both capable and reliable. Approximately 12 years ago, a new long block engine was installed, which currently has 88,000 miles on it. Extensive maintenance and upgrades have been completed, including a new power steering gearbox, battery, shocks, radiator, alternator, brakes and rotors, fuel pump, starter, front wheel hubs, and a fresh synthetic oil change. The truck also features new front suspension components, a new fan belt, air filter, a seat compressor and condenser, radio, front headlights, tail lights, parking lights, spark plugs, spark plug wires, and a recent alignment.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F150, price $7,500, featuring its original factory paint and has never been restored. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior. It runs great and is powered by the reliable and proven 300 inline-six engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that delivers a solid and dependable driving experience. Many new parts have been installed, and everything is in proper working condition. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and the heater functions well, making it comfortable in any season. The interior has been upgraded with a new large-screen radio and new speakers. The truck does need a new headliner and windshield, but overall it remains in excellent condition. It also comes with a color-matched camper shell, adding both style and practicality.
Number 3.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,600, low mileage example showing just 66,000 miles. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is equipped with a 5.7L Chevy V8 TBI engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck has been exceptionally well cared for and properly maintained throughout its life. As a Southwest vehicle, it is completely free of body and frame rust, with no major body damage present. All glass is free from cracks, further reflecting the level of care it has received. Recent maintenance includes newer belts and hoses, ensuring dependable performance. The truck runs, drives, and shifts like new, delivering smooth and reliable operation. It is well equipped with desirable features such as cruise control, tilt steering, power windows and locks, as well as fully functional heat and air conditioning.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,800, completely rust-free Florida truck, offering a solid foundation for restoration or performance upgrades. It is currently equipped with a blown 6.2L diesel engine, but the sale includes a used Vortex 6.0L engine paired with a 6L80E automatic transmission, complete with the ECM and transfer case. The replacement engine and transmission were sourced from a GMC 2500 with approximately 80,000 miles. The truck was originally purchased in running condition with the intention of completing an LS swap project. With its clean Florida body and included drivetrain components, this Chevrolet 3500 presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to build a reliable, powerful upgraded truck on a rust-free platform.
Number 5.
1989 Ford F150, price $10,000, powered by a strong 5.0L V8 gasoline engine. Finished in black, it offers a bold, timeless look. This truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including new gas tanks, fuel pump and selector switch, water pump, thermostat and housing, radiator hoses, motor mount bracket, fan clutch, power steering pump and hoses, alternator, belt tensioner, and serpentine belt. It has also had a full tune-up with new vacuum hoses, idle air control sensor, and throttle position sensor. Additional updates include a new AC fan motor, heater core, wiper assembly and motor, radio, grille, headlight and taillight assemblies, window tint, and a 3-coat bed liner.
Wheel hubs and bearings, shocks, brake pads, and calipers have also been replaced.
Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in white with a tan interior. It starts, runs, and drives well.
While the interior is worn and shows its age, it remains mostly complete.
The body is described as fairly clean overall, and all the glass is in good condition. A major highlight of this truck is its completed V8 swap. It is powered by an L89 Corvette engine featuring factory aluminum heads and a remote oil cooler. paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission sourced from the same vehicle. The rear end is a 10-bolt Posey unit with an unknown gear ratio, and the truck sits on weld wheels for a more aggressive look. The engine setup includes a Victor Jr. intake manifold and an Edelbrock carburetor that was recently installed.
Number 7.
1989 Ford F150, price $6,000, finished in blue with a matching blue interior. It presents a cohesive and vintage look that reflects the character of late 1980s American trucks. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it straightforward and comfortable to drive. Under the hood, this F-150 features a strong 302 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with a good automatic transmission. The engine was replaced in 2010 and currently has approximately 45,000 miles on it, offering solid performance and reliability. The truck starts easily, runs well, and is ready for regular use.
It also comes with new tires, enhancing both safety and drivability. Number 8.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, well-maintained full-size pickup equipped with a 355.7L V8 engine and automatic transmission. This truck has 180,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. It features a green exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand, and everything is reported to be in proper working condition. It has recently received a brand new windshield along with several other new parts, ensuring improved reliability and readiness for the road. Overall, this 1994 Chevrolet 1500 presents itself as a solid and dependable truck with strong performance from its 5.7L engine.
Number 9.
1995 Dodge Ram 3500, price $4,900, heavy-duty diesel truck equipped with a 5.9L 12-valve Cummins engine featuring a P-pump setup. It has 272,000 miles on the chassis and is paired with a rebuilt 47RH automatic transmission that currently has 0 miles since the rebuild. This is a 2WD model finished in white with a gray interior. The truck is fitted with a ranch hand front bumper and runs and shifts into gear, although it has only been minimally tested.
It starts by turning the key and applying slight pressure to the accelerator pedal. However, it produces smoke, has noticeable blow-by, and leaks oil. This vehicle is being sold as a project truck and is not represented as a daily driver in its current condition. Number 10.
1966 Ford F100, price $7,500, finished in turquoise with a black interior, powered by a 352 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed C6 automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain. This truck has received extensive mechanical upgrades, including a new milling oil pump, timing gears and chain, and all new motor bolts. It features a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, Holley long tube headers, and a full 3-inch exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. The ignition system has been updated with a new HEI distributor, wires, and spark plugs. Additional improvements include a new fuel pump, water pump, alternator, voltage regulator, brakes, fuel tank, and fuel lines, along with updated wiring, light sockets, and battery grounds.